Yo, what's up everybody, it's Edwin. We're talking about AI, but not just the self-driving cars and robot stuff. We're diving into how AI is already changing the way we talk to each other every single day. Imagine talking to a robot who can answer your questions. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, AI chatbots were the first step in this journey. Remember when you could ask a computer a question and the answer was basically error 404, brain not found? Yeah, AI has come a way since then. We're talking real-time conversations, understanding different languages, and even AI that can tell how you're feeling. This stuff is straight out of the future, but it's happening right now. So, let's break down how AI is changing the communication game and what it means for you. We gotta start at the beginning. Remember those early chatbots? Think Smarter Child on AIM, or those basic customer service bots on websites. They were like the first generation of AI communication, kind of like the flip phones of the AI world. You could ask them basic questions, but they weren't exactly winning any conversation awards. It was more like, okay, I can kind of see where you're going with this AI thing, but it needs some work. One of the earliest examples was Eliza. This chatbot was created back in the 60s, and it could actually hold a conversation. I'm talking typing back and forth, almost like texting with a robot from the future, but Eliza was pretty basic. It mostly just rephrased your questions back to you. It was kind of like talking to a parrot, but instead of Polly want a cracker, it's I see you're feeling frustrated. Even though it was basic, Eliza got people thinking, whoa, could we actually have a conversation with a computer one day? And spoiler alert, the answer is a big yes. Over time, chatbots got smarter and more sophisticated. They started to understand more complex questions and even learned how to respond with a bit more personality. It was like they were going through AI school, learning how to be better communicators one line of code at a time. Fast forward to today, and AI has gotten seriously smart. We're talking digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These aren't just chatbots anymore, they're like your own personal AI crew. Need to set an alarm? Hey Siri, wake me up at 7 a.m. Want to know the weather? Alexa, what's the forecast today? Feeling lazy and want to order pizza without talking to a human? Hey Google, order my usual from Domino's. They can even tell you jokes, play your favorite music, and control your smart home devices. It's like having a super-powered robot friend living in your phone or smart speaker. The reason these AI assistants are so much better than those early chatbots is because of something called natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is basically the tech that allows AI to understand human language. It's like teaching a computer how to speak our language instead of us having to learn how to code. And the craziest part is that NLP is getting better all the time. The more we use these AI assistants, the more data they collect, and the smarter they become. It's like they're constantly learning and evolving, kind of like your own personal AI student. Have you ever wished you could speak another language? Like, imagine being able to travel the world and talk to anyone, no matter where they're from. Well, AI is making that dream a reality. With AI-powered translation tools like Google Translate, you can have a conversation with someone who speaks a completely different language, and it'll feel almost like magic. You can type in what you want to say, and the AI will instantly translate it into the other language. Or, even cooler, you can use your phone's microphone to speak in your language, and the AI will translate your words out loud in real time. It's like having your own personal interpreter right in your pocket. This tech is a game changer for breaking down language barriers and connecting with people from all over the world. And it's not just about spoken conversations. AI is also changing the way we communicate through text. For example, have you ever gotten an email or a message from a company and it felt like you were talking to a real person? That's AI at work too. Many companies are using AI-powered chatbots to handle customer service inquiries, answer questions, and even provide technical support. These AI chatbots are getting so good that sometimes you can't even tell if you're talking to a human or a machine. And honestly, sometimes the AI is even more helpful. Now you might be thinking, okay, AI is cool for chatting with friends and ordering pizza, but how does it actually help people in the real world? Well, AI is being used in some seriously cool and important ways. For example, in the medical field, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Imagine an AI that can analyze medical images like X-rays or scans and spot things that even the most experienced doctor might miss. That's the power of AI in healthcare. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and treatments which could help millions of people live longer and healthier lives. It's like having an army of super smart AI scientists working around the clock to find cures for diseases. But it's not just about healthcare. AI is also being used to make our cities smarter and more efficient. For example, AI-powered traffic management systems can analyze traffic patterns in real time and adjust traffic lights to reduce congestion and get people where they need to go faster. And AI-powered energy grids can optimize energy consumption, reducing waste and making our cities more sustainable. Let's talk about something a little more fun: video games. Ever wonder how those non-player characters, or NPCs, in your favorite games seem so lifelike? Yeah, that's AI doing its thing. AI is what gives those characters the ability to react to your actions, make decisions, and even learn and adapt to your playing style. It's like playing against a real person who's constantly trying to outsmart you. From racing games where the AI opponents push you to the limit to role-playing games where the characters respond to your choices in complex ways, AI is what makes those gaming experiences so immersive and engaging. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more realistic and challenging gaming experiences in the future. But AI in gaming isn't just about making the characters smarter, it's also about creating more personalized and enjoyable experiences for players. For example, some games use AI to adjust the difficulty level based on your skill level. So, if you're a beginner, the game will be a little easier to help you learn the ropes. But if you're a seasoned pro, the game will crank up the difficulty to give you a real challenge. It's like having a personal gaming coach right there with you. Now here's where things get really interesting. We've talked about AI that can understand what you say, but what about AI that can understand how you feel? That's right, researchers are developing AI that can recognize and respond to human emotions. This field of AI is called emotion AI, or affective computing. Imagine talking to your AI assistant, and it can tell if you're feeling happy, sad, stressed, or excited based on your tone of voice or the words you use. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. For example, imagine a customer service chatbot that can sense if you're getting frustrated and can adjust its tone and responses accordingly. Or imagine a virtual therapist that can provide personalized support and guidance based on your emotional state. The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing. Emotion AI is still in its early stages, but it's rapidly evolving. As AI gets better at understanding and responding to our emotions, it has the potential to create more empathetic and personalized experiences in all areas of our lives. So, we've talked about how AI is changing the way we communicate, but what about the future? What can we expect in the years to come? Well, one thing's for sure, AI is going to keep getting smarter, faster, and more integrated into our lives. Imagine a world where you can have a real-time conversation with anyone in the world, no matter what language they speak, using a device that fits in your ear. Or imagine AI assistants that are so advanced that they can not only understand your needs, but also anticipate them before you even ask. We're talking AI that can help you with everything from managing your schedule to writing your emails to even composing music. But with all this incredible potential comes important questions about ethics and responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial that we use it in a way that benefits humanity and doesn't create new problems. We need to make sure that AI is developed and used in a way that is fair, unbiased, and respects everyone's privacy and rights. It's a big task, but it's one that we need to take seriously. So, there you have it. AI is already changing the way we communicate, from the way we talk to our friends and family to the way we interact with businesses and the world around us. From those early clunky chatbots to today's sophisticated AI assistants, we've come a long way. And the future of AI communication is looking even more exciting, with AI that can understand our emotions, translate languages in real time, and even help us connect with people on a deeper level. But as we embrace these incredible advancements, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It's up to all of us to ensure that we use AI responsibly and ethically to create a better future for everyone. If you think AI is cool and you want to learn more awesome stuff like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll never miss out on all the fun and cool AI adventures we have coming up. And hey, if you want to see more videos that make learning about tech super exciting, make sure to join the family. See you in the next video.